Today I want to walk you through what is expected on your research paper. You'll open up a Word document, click on the insert and add a header. Right here's an insert button. Here, header. Oh, this is not good. Okay, here we go. I want you to choose where it gives you 3 columns. Choose that. And here I want you to go ahead and type your name. In the center, I want you to type your title, and that would be the animal that you are researching. Before you do so, I want you to go back to the home button and click on bold. So when you type, that will be bold. And then in my case, I'm working on the gorilla. Over here, I want for you to insert the date. And that would be April 16th, 2014. Okay, and then you would double click right below it, and we'll be able to get going with the rest of your research. Next, you will have all your subheaders. All subheaders will be in bold, but I want you to increase your font size. So go into font size, and let's go to 18. If you're going to present that, and make sure bold is clicked. Okay? Now we are going to go ahead and type in interesting facts and then after interesting facts, I want you to have your essential question. My essential question okay. Next, we're going to talk about habitat. So today we're basically just setting up your paper, and then you'll put your details in there, and this is where you'll add your photos. Now before we go further, I want to go ahead and type in okay, that's all I'm going to go for now. Next I want to go ahead and click right before your interesting facts. And I want, or after, doesn't matter. And I want you to go ahead and go move over to insert, and you're going to insert your picture you have. So don't go to clip art, you're going to go to picture, click on picture. Now in my case, I'm going to have to pause it. I've got to look up a picture. Okay, so what I did is I went to, I minimized this, and I went ahead and went to Google, and most of you guys have Google already set. Remember, the star represents your favorite. I went ahead and pulled a picture from Google, which is here. Then I went ahead and saved it. So you want to go ahead, so for instance, if I put this baby picture, you click on it with your left button, then right click it, and you would just go down to either copy image, if you were putting it right into your document. But in this case, I'd like for you to put it on your F drive in our folder. So you would do save image as. So I'm going to go ahead and click that to show you. And I've already put it here in a folder, which is library, under research animal photos. And then I went ahead and named it. So in this case, I named it gorilla and baby, and then I did another one for baby and gorilla. I also have some other ones that I've saved that are specific to our baby gorilla that was born at San Diego Zoo recently. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and quick. I'm going to go back to our document. First I need to go over here and minimize this. I can come down here and go to the start button. And right here is where our document's at. Then I'm going to go back to, I went ahead and typed in Gorillas Live in, and then, you know, of course I'll look back at my notes and refer to that. Our essential question. Is it a good idea to return wild animals back to their natural habitat after they are rehabilitated? Okay? And again, all of you guys have your own essential questions. Oh, and if you notice, remember we've been learning about if it's spelled incorrectly, so I will go ahead and do a left click, a right click, and see if I have any options. I don't, so I'm going to have to look back up in my dictionary for this. Okay. So, anyhow, at the very end, I will refer back to our notes to see what else I need, but at the very end, you guys are going to do one other page. So go here, say new, blank document, create it. This one is going to have centered, so you're going to come over here, and you're going to click center. Remember that's the one that shows, and you can even highlight it, you know, so center. And I want you to pick a font, maybe a 48. You're going to put your name and title, okay? So I'm going to say animal research. I want to go back and look up with me. Animal research paper. I'm going to go, hit return button 3 times, or 2 times. And put by, and then make sure you're putting your name. Remember, names always have a capital, okay? No, I don't like how that's centered, so I'm going to go click right here, and I'm going to hit return once. And then I have an opportunity to come over here to file, and, it's not there, I think it's in home. Page layout. I want to be able to view it. Page layout. So it looks about right. So you're going to have this where it's your title page. And remember, you want to make sure you do a save as. So remember, you go to File, go to Save As, and all of you will need to be saving this under your S drive. I'm currently at home, so I'll be saving it under I'm going to go ahead and look in this folder real quick. Label that research paper harmony. So I'm going to double click there. So that means that it's highlighted. It means that I'll be able to do that. Then when I click that, see how it opens? Now this that I've named it animal research will go right into there. So I click save. And now that paper is saved. So I can go ahead and close it. And remember, the X button is your close. Okay, so now we're back to here. Let's go ahead and do a walkthrough on how to insert a photo. Okay, so interesting fact. I'm going to go ahead and put that, I'm going to choose to put that right after the interesting fact. So remember, we go to insert. I'm already at the insert tab. I'm going to go to picture. I'm going to go to where I said I have that at. Of course, I cannot find where I put it now. Give me a moment. Control V for paste. As you can see, it's syncing. Okay, now of course that's much larger than I want. So remember, we go ahead and we line it up. See where my cursor is? We're going to line this up. And we're going to pull down while using our mouse to make this a more reasonable size while we put. And there you have it. Now, if you notice up here, I have not named this page, and I need to do so. So again, I can copy off my header and go to File, to Save As. I want to make sure it's under my animal research paper, and you guys all need to put it under your X drive, under Campbell's Resources. And not only do I have it, I'm going to rename this, and it's going to be because my report is Gorilla. I'm going to actually do San Diego Gorilla, because that's what we're focusing on. There we go, San Diego Gorilla. I'll click Save. And then if you notice up here, that's where our title, where the information went. And that is it. If there's any more, I'll do another little tutorial for you. Okay, you guys?